Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ultimate Cooking Gallery. Today I am going to share a best tea time snack recipe, that is crispy onion pakoda. Please note down the ingredients and let's start our cooking. In a bowl add sliced onions, chopped curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of gram flour, turmeric, salt, pinch of asafoetida or hing, red chili powder. Mix well by adding required quantity of water. Batter should be thick. Now the batter is ready for frying. Now heat some oil in a pan or a kadai. When the oil is hot, add the prepared batter and fry it till golden brown. Now the crispy onion pakoda is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy the taste. Thank you very much everyone. Thanks for watching. My videos are available on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please like, share, subscribe, follow and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.